Once upon a time, there lived a small cute fish called Tutti. Tutti was living very happily. But one day, his friends started making fun of him because of his size. Tutti got very sad. He stopped eating, he stopped sleeping, and his worries grew bigger and bigger every day, and he got smaller and smaller every day. One day, a fisherman dropped a net in the ocean. Panic, panic, panic everywhere. The sea was filled with panic because all the fish got caught. Tutti and his toxic friends also got caught. Tutti somehow managed to escape the net through the holes because of her small size. Since that day, Tutti thanked God for all his life just for being the way he is.